Hello everybody, I am excited to share this card with you. I created this card for Concord and Ninth's March release. This is the Fine Line Floral stamp set. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am doing a bit of ink blending today. But before I get started, if you can leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite color combinations are. I have gotten so many ideas from Christina Werner. I talk about her quite a lot in my card videos. She is very inspirational. And this color combination I actually picked up from her. So if you want to check her video out, I will try to link it down below for you. I am using these super cheap makeup brushes that I got from Amazon. People have said that you can get them at Dollar Tree or Dollar General, one of the two. Also, Walmart carries some. But if you haven't seen Corin Wiskman's video, she actually went out and got the Picket Fence makeup brushes, and this not knocking them at all, but she did a side-by-side comparison, and the video is a must-see. There is very little difference between them except the price. So if you want to see that video, I will definitely have it linked in the upper right-hand corner for you guys so you could check it out. And if you are not subscribed to Corin, you are definitely missing out. She is super funny as well. All right, so I am starting off with some old paper, and I am using some Strathmore smooth cardstock, and I blend that out with I'm using circular motions, and I tend to grab the top of the tool instead of holding it by the handle. I feel like I have a little bit more control that way. And it's a little bit more comfortable for me that way. So again, I am just blending it out, and then I go in with the Evergreen Bough, and then I go in with the black Soot like I'm doing here. And then I do clean my brush off in between colors fairly well. I have a very, very damp paper towel next to me that I just kind of brush it off, and then I brush off on a dry paper towel. I don't want any of my Distress Oxide inks to contaminate each other. I normally am not very particular about this kind of thing, but I do really want to try to keep them clean as possible. So I do clean in between using a different color. Right, so as you saw, I just blended them together, going back in with another layer if I needed to, and then I heat set that, made it super dry so that the embossing powder didn't stick everywhere. Then I trimmed it down, and now I am going to do some heat embossing. So I used some VersaMark ink, which is a very sticky ink, and I am using my Tim Holtz stamp platform from Tonic Studios. You still can get these in the US while supplies last, and you also can get them in the UK. They just aren't going to be available in the US after all of the stock runs out. So I used my stamp platform because I didn't know if I was going to have to stamp it twice, which I did not need to. But I am now going to use some super fine white embossing powder from Ranger. This is my favorite embossing powder. And while I do this, I wanted to point out I am sorry if you can hear the four-wheelers, the airplanes, the birds. I have my window open. It is a beautiful spring day here in Nevada. So I do apologize for any extra noise that you may hear. I should have closed my window, but I am almost done with the video, so I hope you guys don't mind. All right, I am heat setting this, and with the heat tool, it melts the embossing powder. I stamped out congratulations on this black cardstock, and I trimmed that down. I am now adding splatters with Picket Fence Distress Spray, which is my favorite. While I finish up the card, I wanted to tell you guys about something that I'm going to be doing from now on. I'm going to be highlighting some of your comments at the end of my videos, and here is a couple. So Bert says, I second Kelly Latavola and also recommend Sally Allnock. Both are extremely talented ladies. Awesome card. Thank you so much, Bert. I will definitely check them out. And Mimi says, great job, super pretty card. I love all two new products. Just a tip to get a better blend between two colors that are farther apart in tone. I would try the tip to tip technique. Touch the lighter marker to the darker marker. I have a couple Copic coloring videos on my channel. Also, be sure to check her out. And then she also says, maybe they'll help. I will definitely check them out, Mimi. I have been following you for a long time. I will definitely have to check those out. So thank you to everybody that leaves comments on my videos. If you have any suggestions or you just want to say hey, who knows, your comment might be highlighted in one of my upcoming videos. You will also see I am featuring another YouTube channel, which is Jess over at A Card Day's Work. She is super fun, so show her some love. Go over there and subscribe, comment on some of her videos, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!